In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorder and trim clips in Premiere Rush. By the end, you'll know how to quickly move clips around your timeline and fine-tune their length so your story flows exactly the way you want. Let's start with reordering. First, click or tap the clip you want to move in your timeline. You'll know it's selected when you see a clear outline around it. This outline is your visual cue that any action you take will apply to that clip. Now, with the clip selected, click and drag it left or right along the timeline to its new spot. As you drag, keep an eye on the timeline. You'll see where the clip will land, and the surrounding clips will shift to make room. When you're happy with the new position, simply release the clip to drop it there. This is a quick way to change the pacing of your edit, maybe bringing a key moment earlier, or saving a reveal for later. Next, let's trim a clip to adjust its length. Click or tap the clip you want to trim so it's selected. When a clip is selected, you'll notice trim handles appear at its edges. These are the small, visual grips that let you control the start and end of your clip. To shorten a clip, drag an edge inward toward the center, either from the beginning or the end. This removes frames from that side and tightens up the timing. To extend a clip, drag an edge outward. This will only work if there's extra media available, meaning the original video or audio has more content beyond what's currently visible in the timeline. If you drag outward and the clip won't extend, you've already used its full length. As you trim, watch the video preview to check that you're cutting on the right moment, like a natural pause in dialogue or a clear action beat. Trimming from the left edge changes where the clip starts, and trimming from the right edge changes where it ends. You can make small, precise adjustments by dragging the trim handles gently left or right until the timing feels just right. If you go too far, no problem. Just drag the handle back the other way. That's it. Select a clip to move, drag it to reorder, select a clip to trim, and use the trim handles to shorten or extend. Practice these simple moves and you'll be editing faster and more confidently in Premiere Rush.